Welcome to BigLockDaddy's Garage. Like and subscribe for more great content. Hey everybody, welcome to the video. I'm your host, BigLockDaddy. Welcome to the channel. On today's video, part 1 of 2. What we're doing is we're going to take this Charger right here. I got into a wreck. Stuff happens. You know that moment when you're on the road and you see that car stopped in front of you and you're like,
oh, this is gonna hurt.
Yeah, that's pretty much how it ends up. So we're gonna put it back together in this video, back to stock, and in part 2 we're gonna go ahead and get some extra parts, throw it in, and see how she looks. These V6 Chargers are absolutely amazing, and the way engines are going today, now they're making turbo 6s, turbo 4s. You know, we need as many guys as we can possibly get who are working on these types of cars. Special thanks to Andrew at the Marspeed YouTube channel. Without your videos, brother, well, who knows where I'd be on this thing. He's got the greatest, if you want to know about V6 Chargers, he's got the greatest channel, the greatest info. Head on over there. The link is down in the doodly-doo below. Great channel. Check it out. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. And now let's get to the video. Well, this was my baby. This is how she used to look, and she'll never look this way again because, well, I wrecked her. It was my fault. I hit a landscaping trailer from behind, pushed in the front bumper, put a hole in it, cracked the whole front, pushed both headlights back and up, broke the brackets, and as you can see here, the bumper reinforcement's been bent right where we hit the trailer. Or it could be from another accident sustained before that. I did have one other hit in Miami that I took, and I'll explain what happened here. So what we're looking at here is now the damage of the accident, and the main reason why you should not drive in flip-flops. Both headlights were completely obliterated, as you can see. Yeah, she took a hard hit. You can see most of the hit was sustained right in here. Based on what we have over here, you can see that's what happened. So, we're pulling her apart. I'm going to pull this bumper off. See the bumper's bent, crimped right there. Everything over here is crushed to stuff. The headlight mounts are broken. The radiator, I don't know if you can see that. The radiator is pushed back on that side, it's pushed in. So yeah. This is what we got in front of us. Go ahead and pop that bumper off. Get to the getting. Now the good thing about crashing a car like this is I was at fault, so I'm going to be paying for it anyway, so I might as well do what I want to do. Now, I had a little trouble getting the bumper reinforcement out of there, so I had to cut away a few sections and pull it out, but eventually it got replaced. Then I decided, well, I think it's best if I save the front end. I mean, it's a stock piece, so I threw some Bondo over it, sanded it down, but I am an amateur body guy. I'm not very good at this stuff. But I did manage to get it to a point where it looked presentable with primer on, and as you can see here with the first coat of paint thrown back on the Charger, it looks good. Now it was a total spray can paint job, complete with clear coat and everything. And as you can see here, it didn't come out too bad. Once the clear coat was on, you couldn't really see the imperfections underneath, but I wasn't completely happy with it. Until I put the brand new grille on. This thing really sets it off. And for the price I paid for all these parts just to get the front end back to normal, it was about $450. Maybe $50 to $80 for paint, so you get out the door at about $500, which is what your insurance deductible costs you anyway. So let's see how she came out. Alright, so here's what we're looking at. We did the repairs on the old car here, and as you can see, we changed up the grille. We went from the stock Charger grille to this wire mesh grill, which I have to say looks really good. You can see what I did to the logo here. He had some nice blue accents, but this was my bad paint job. All this paint was spray paint. I did it myself, and then I tried to buff it out, and that didn't go so hot. So I'm working on that. These headlights are brand new. 106 bucks for the pair off of carid.com. But you can see I reused everything, including the bumper cover. You look right here. This is where some of the damage was. This is where I had to repair it here. That was torn in half. And the rest is the rest. Yeah. So, looking at it from a whole, she looks good. Not too bad. Well, when people ask me what I did during coronavirus 2020, I'll say, well, the first month I was banging on a body that wasn't going to get pregnant, because that's just how I roll. Now, I crashed it, I gotta fix it, I might as well do it my own way, and for the price, effort, and time it took, it was worth it. And in part 2, we're gonna take it to the next level. Well, that's all for this video. Don't forget to stick around for part 2, where we go ahead and slap the body kit on her right there and change the whole look of the car for the 10th anniversary. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next video.